everybody, it's Avi here again, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to trade the indices market, and majorly an half video on or half insight on how to trade the forex market. A subsequent video would be like be done on the forex market. That one is going to be like a short one, or if it doesn't take too much time, I will do the video on this one. So I already gave introduction to the forex market and introduction to the indices market, so and pips calculation. So this one is just like how to do it on your phone. How to do it on your phone. So you get now the whole process you need to actually open an account, trade, and the interface you'll be using to trade and what have you. So follow me as as I show you enlightenment on this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to the broker in which, so for the indices market, Deriv is the major trader of indices market, while for forex we'll be using Xnex. Xnex is a popular broker and it has so many instruments. So you get so many pairs, so many indices and the like. So I want to now open a new account with Deriv.com. Everything I'm going to be doing is going to be new. So like as if we are just doing it. So if you already have an account with Deriv, or you already have an account with Xnex or something, you need not open a new account, but still ensure to watch these videos in case there's something you're actually missing. So let's go to Deriv.com on Chrome. Alright, so Deriv.com. Yeah, so this is Deriv.com. This is how the interface looks. So let's log in. You have to click on login first. So yeah, so now let's say I don't have an account now, so I want to create a new account. So I'm going to be using Savvy Business Hub. Savvy Business Hub. So create a demo account. You click on that. So check email for a verification code. So I want to check my mail now for the verification code that was sent. Yeah, so they sent me a verification code, so I want to verify it now. So open in browser, Chrome. Yeah, so so I verified my mail now. So it says I should choose my country. So of course I'm from Nigeria. So let's see. Nigeria. Next. Choose password. I'll have to pause the video because I may possibly still use this account. So but I can still change it though. So let's say Savvy within 8 characters. Alright, so start trading. I already created my account already. So yeah, so this is it here. This is it. So this is how the apps look. So you can see they've given me 10,000. I'm coming. They give me 10,000 naira. Dollar. This thing. So that is what you are going to be using for your demo account. Demo account or demo money is just a digital money that in actual sense doesn't have value, but just you can use it to actually just test your trading. You get, especially if you are just starting out. So all right, so here is it. We have this now. So I'm going to be really swift about this. So your demo account has been automatically created for you. So what we want to do is that just follow this process where we trade indices is on MetaTrader 5, which was the app I said you guys should download. So here now I want to go to the option of this thing. So you click on this menu bar here, you click on this DTrader here, so you go to DMT5, you get now, so sorry, you click on this DMT5. So this is the option of real account or demo account. You get a real account or demo account. So we already have our demo account, but let's check it out. So now the demo account they created for you was if you want to actually trade on this website. There's a DTrader maybe they have. So like, you know, the way you have MetaTrader 5, they have their own DTrader too on on Deriv.com, where you can actually trade on their platform. So you get that. So but we are interested in the one on MetaTrader 5. So we want to add our demo account now. So create your demo account password. So create your demo account DMT5 password. So this DMT5 password is the password you'll be using to log in into all of your MetaTrader. I'm going to show you or explain what I'm trying to say. So it is a password that you're going to be using to log in into your MetaTrader 5. So any whether your indices or your currency pairs, it is the password you're going to be using to log into your MetaTrader 5. I didn't tell you guys that you can actually trade currency pairs on Deriv too. So for instance, now we've created our demo synthetic indices account. You get, and this is our login details, the password, the login ID. This is how you're going to. So they will ask you what's the server. You click on Deriv demo on MetaTrader 5, login ID. This is it. Then the password, the one I created. So now you can also create your financial market account, demo account that you can use to trade on MT5 with Deriv as a broker. You know, I told you that there are different types of brokers, Xnex, Forex.com, and the like. So again, so but on Deriv too, you can actually trade the financial market too, like the traditional financial market. So we want to add our demo account too. So yeah, it said that you input the DMT5 password. The DMT5 password in which I'm going to be using generally for everything I want to do on MetaTrader 5 that involves Deriv. So yeah, so I've input my password now. So add account. So you can see now that I've successfully added my Deriv financial market account on MetaTrader 5, the demo account. So I've created 2 demo accounts now. The first one is the synthetic indices demo account, while the second one is the financial market demo account. So to create your real account too, it's the same process. So you just go to real account. You need a real account, fiat currency or cryptocurrency in Deriv to create a real DMT5 account. Okay. So this is what they are saying. On MetaTrader 5, you can't deposit on MetaTrader 5. You can't withdraw on their app, MetaTrader 5. So that's why you see that people give their login details to people to trade for them. That's why you see that people give their login details to people to trade for them. Their MT5 login details to trade for them. So those people they give can't actually withdraw on their account, because you would have to still come back to either your fiat currency or cryptocurrency account. Let's just say it's like your bank account here. Sure, you get now. While the MetaTrader 5 is just where you maybe buy or sell your the instrument. So this one is like a real account. If you want to deposit into your real account, you have to, if it is fiat currency, it means that you have to deposit maybe US dollar on this MetaTrader and this Deriv.com through the fiat currency account. Or if it is cryptocurrency, you deposit on the address, your special address, your wallet address of the account you created. So now let's go to these options now. For demo account, the reason why we need not create the fiat currency or cryptocurrency account is because demo already explained to you that it is like a valueless money. So but this one, real account, means you are using real money. So let's create the account now. All right, so you can see now for fiat currency, you can create your US dollar account, USD dollar account, for which is the best option, because that's still the most easiest to get currency in foreign currency in this our country. So, or generally in the world. So with this US dollar account, there's something they call arbitrage, in which you can actually do using Deriv, but I don't want to buttress too much on that. Probably later, I'm going to tell you how you can actually, make money from, doing this arbitrage, whereby you buy dollar at the lower rate, and then you're able to sell it. So all you have to do is just take few trades, and you withdraw and make money from it, but not to bother you on that. So these are some of the options you create for currency account. You can create the US dollar account, and either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Theta, USDT. So but for the account, I advise you create US dollar account as well as the Litecoin account, because sending Ethereum here is kind of sending Ethereum transaction fees are kind of high. Bitcoin own is probably sometimes it might be high, sometimes it can be low, but the Litecoin own is usually no more than $1 or so, or $2. So you get now. So that is it. Then the Theta own, the ERC20, any ERC20 network transaction fee is always kind of high. So I advise Litecoin, although there's a website in which I'm going to be sending to you guys that you can actually do this at a cheaper rate. So that's why it's savvy here, and we try as much as possible to ensure or enable you to have these things at your fingertips and at a rate in which others don't get it. So again, so for instance, now the website in which I'm talking about, you can just, there's a video on it, you can just send maybe TRX. Now that the transaction fee is maybe 1 TRX, which is about maybe let's say like 20 naira now, and then you receive Ethereum inside your, or Litecoin inside your Deriv account. So you get now, so we will be spending maybe 20 naira to just for a transaction that usually costs like 5,000 or 3,000 naira. So you get, and there's another way again in which you can be doing this and also be profiting. You get, so for instance now, you can be doing it for people, where normally people will be like, oh, transaction fee of Ethereum is maybe like normally usually it's always like $5 to $10. So that's like $5 currently is like 2.5, and you, in actual sense, you are paying maybe like maybe maximum of 500 naira on your transaction. So the 2,000 naira difference on it would actually be yours just by using this platform, in which to you it's only you that knows how to use the website. But people you are selling for, people you are buying the Ethereum for, actually get their Ethereum, but you are the only one that know how you actually did it at a cheaper rate, while charging them the actual fee that they usually pay or normally pay. So you can imagine doing that for like 10 people in a week, that's 20,000 passive income, or maybe 5 people in a week, that's 10,000 naira passive income, just by doing this thing of 5 minutes. I'll send the videos to you guys definitely. So I'm already talking too much, so let me just I'm going to be creating a US dollar account as well as a Litecoin account. So let's get to business and create the US dollar account. So now for the US dollar account, there's something they call Deriv P2P. So I'll employ you guys to download the apps, Deriv P2P, where you can actually buy dollar on, and so it's like a Deriv account, and they act as escrow there at the free price. So but the only thing is just like it is very, very similar to Binance P2P, very, very similar to Binance P2P. So once you're watching this video, everybody should go to the Deriv, to Play Store, and download the Deriv P2P app. So let's go to business. So It says first name, date of birth, last name, so I'll have to fill this. Also, when I didn't make mention, when you're filling this, please don't use nicknames. So don't use nicknames. You use your personal name. Now this one, now I already have an account with them, so there's no way I can use this thing, my account again, because you can't have more than one account. So, and you will probably need identity verification. Share you get now. So I'm going to be creating an account with someone I know's name or details. Share you get. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So let me get to business. I don't want to reveal the person's details. So but you understand what I'm saying is, in this page is asking for first name, last name, date of birth, and phone number. So let me just do that. So. All right, so yeah, now you can see it says it asks for first line of address, second line of address, town, city, state, postal. Please ensure that it is the details you are providing is one that you have either ID card or utility bill to back it up. Please let it be that. Don't just put any address. Maybe you're on your ID card or on your utility bill, maybe NEPA bill, electricity bill, you're having a different address, or you cannot get that address. Please ensure it's not like a bank. When you go to bank, they say you should bring your utility bill or your ID card. It has to be a correct one, or the one that you can actually relate to, or they can actually a real address. Please, something like that. Please ensure that it is a real details or the correct details you provide. Yeah, so I input the details already. So these are some of the agreement, just formality. So if you are a politically exposed person, even if you are safe, will you understand to just agree to the terms and add account. Yeah, so once you found your account to start trading, maybe later. So what this means is that you can actually deposit dollar on this account. You get now. You can withdraw dollar too. So, but I now want to create a Litecoin account. So maybe later. So to create a Litecoin account, you just go to this point where there's 00 USDT. I don't have any money there yet, so just go there, add or manage account. So I want to add account here now. So now the option, I already create a fiat currency account. You can create as many as you like, but this time around I want to create a cryptocurrency account. So I'm going to go for Litecoin, add account. Because we've added our details already, so this one is just a formality. You can see how fast it is, so maybe later. So what that means is that I can send Litecoin and withdraw Litecoin from this account. So let's now go back to adding our real account. So let's add real account. So you input your DMT5 password again. So let's add our account. As easy as that. You get now, maybe later. So what we just did is that we just created our synthetic indices real account. So this one now we can trade on it with real money and then withdraw or deposit on it. You get now, this is a real deal. The demo account is just for practice, but this one is a real deal where you can trade on it, make profit, withdraw your money to your either through crypto, sell it the way I told you or taught you guys in the P2P video. So, and if it is dollar, you sell it on the Deriv P2P. If it is like cryptocurrency you want to cryptocurrency option you want to use, you sell it on Binance. You get very, very easy. You can see how all the videos linked together, how all of them link together. So that is this thing. So now let's go. So for the financial market account, now the traditional account, of course we already created the demo account for the currency pairs and the like. So now we want to create the real account for traditional financial market. So the add real account, input your DMT5 password. Don't forget I told you that it is a uniform password that you use for your DMT5 as your DMT5 password. Now I want to advise that ensure that your login details, like when I logged in with Savvy Business or I used a different password, always use a different password. Like always use a different password between your login details and your DMT5 password. Always use a different password. So by now you should have just two passwords that you can always remember. So use those two separately. So now I want to input my DMT5 password. So add account. Maybe later. So you can see very easy. So if I should deposit on it, let's say I deposit on my synthetic indices, this is where it will be. If I should on the financial traditional market, on it will show here, it will be the same balance that is showing on MetaTrader 5. So let's go now. Let's now play with the MetaTrader 5. I'm coming. For now, as we don't have any funds or anything on this account, this is just the only things we can do on this Deriv interface. So we have our demo account on the synthetic indices account and the financial market account. So you can see now that we are having, they've given us 10,000 USD each to trade it or to practice with on our demo account. While for the real account, they've given us we don't have anything. Of course, we are the one that have to put money there. So you get, so for the demo account now, for real, it deceives in the sense that usually it is just few percent. Even if you are starting out, I don't expect you to just start out with 10,000 USD. So you get now. So the money deceives and people just trade recklessly. But when you are putting your real money in it, you will know how to manage your risk. And also there's a video on risk management definitely coming up. So that one will be settled. I'll be like, I'm going to, you will see a video on how to manage your risk and the like. So but I usually advise people to always start with real account. So far it is not pressure money and you have the right information to use. So yeah, we are done now. So we want to now use the details on this synthetic in this demo account and the real account. So now we have 4 accounts here. Now we have 4 accounts on this thing. So we have 2 real accounts and 2 demo accounts on the synthetic indices and the financial market account. So now we want to now log in into our DMT5 or MetaTrader 5. By now I expect everyone to have the app. So let's go. Yeah, so I'm here now on the MetaTrader 5 and you can see, so let me just go there. MetaTrader 5 itself gives you 100,000 USD to trade with, to play with. That one is not attached to any broker. So you just play with it. They give you that to trade. Of course, these are currency pairs. You just need to add your Deriv indices account on it. So now let's go. So you click on the menu bar. We want to add the 4 accounts now. The 4 accounts. So we click on the menu bar. We click on manage accounts. So they give us 100,000 GBP. So well, you can see demo account. So let me add the new account now. So now I want to add the demo account, the Deriv demo account. So that is what I want to do now. So I'm going to search for Deriv Limited. So the server, don't forget it was Deriv demo. So you change it, Deriv demo, Deriv server, Deriv demo, Deriv server. So we're interested in Deriv demo because I want to add the demo account first. So for the login, we are interested in this, the login ID. The password you are going to be using is your DMT5 password, the one I said you'll be using uniformly for all your MetaTrader 5 activities. So I want to copy this login ID. So you input it here, login, paste it. So I now want to input my password now. Sorry. I already input my password, so let me just log in. So you're going to see what I'm talking about. Don't know what's wrong with the network. Okay. Voila. So you can see now that we have our demo synthetic indices. The 10,000 USD they give us is already the demo account. So let's go. So I'm going to be adding the second one, which is the financial in this financial market demo account. So let's go back to the Deriv website. So we are here now. So I now want to add it, the same process, but the login ID will be different. The only thing that will be different is the login ID. So I'm going to copy it now. The server is the same, the broker is the same. So I'm just going to copy the login ID. So I add it, I add the account, Deriv Limited, that's the broker. The login ID is a new one. Paste. So the password, I'm going to have to, Deriv demo, it is still Deriv demo. So you add the Deriv demo. So let's do this. So let's see what it brings out. So you can see demo synthetic. This one is demo synthetic, the first one I added. So this one will definitely be maybe demo financial. Yeah, so I don't use the demo account, so I really don't know what they use now. So let's see what it brings out. Yeah, so you can see that I was right after all. Demo financial. So we added the second one. So now we now want to add the two real accounts. So let's go back to our Deriv server. So we've added the two. We can see the $10,000 they give us. Now our real account, because we don't have any money in it, you will see that it will be 0 naira that will be there, or 0 USD that will be there. Now, once you deposit into the Deriv, into your Deriv account, those accounts created, either Litecoin or USD, you would see your balance immediately to change here. Now. So once you deposit into your Deriv account, you can just fund transfer. Okay, I'm going to show you that now. This is what I'm talking about. I'm coming. So to do what I just said, you click on the menu bar, go to cashier. You can see deposit, withdrawal, payments, transfer. So deposit option, because that's the only option we have. We can't withdraw because we don't have anything there. The payment agent, I don't advise it, but you can use it. This is where there are people, the thing I actually told you guys about, that you can make money from. Shey you get a way in which can be. So there are people that do that. They help you deposit, and at a maybe higher rate or something, or a lesser rate, so you'll be getting less than what you paid for, or you'll be paying more. I don't use them. I either use USD option or the cryptocurrency option. So deposit, you click on deposit. Yeah, so this is the interface of the deposits. So if you want to deposit cryptocurrencies, if you want to deposit via bank wire or something, so the best option is the cryptocurrency option, and we already have an account with them, which is the Litecoin wallet backed account. So we can actually deposit Litecoin, or we withdraw Litecoin. All right, so you can just add the Litecoin, continue. So you can see similarly, this is the address you just copy to your let's say you want to withdraw, maybe you have Litecoin in your Binance wallet, you want to withdraw it, you copy this address into it, and then you withdraw to this address, and then you get it to deposit this, into this account. So once you've done this, you see your Litecoin in this point here, this zone here. Yeah, that point there, you see your Litecoin there. So you just copy this address, paste it on your Binance wallet or anywhere you're sending it from, and then it will be delivered to this wallet address. So that's for the Litecoin. So there's something I need to show you guys. So after you've received the Litecoin, let's say you sent $100 worth of Litecoin. So you still need to transfer it. It's not Litecoin you're using to trade. It is not Litecoin you're using to trade. They are using USD to trade. So you still need to convert that Litecoin to USD. So where you go to for that is you go to transfer. So assuming we had funds already, it will show that, okay, we have Litecoin in it, and let's say equivalent of maybe $100 worth of Litecoin. So it will just say transfer to your MT5. You get either real account or demo or this thing, either the indices account or the financial market account. So you get that. So you just transfer it, and then it will now show here. It will leave this Litecoin account, then it will now show in this place here. So this one that is showing 00 naira will now be showing $100. If it is synthetic, you transfer it to real account. If it is financial, you transfer it will be showing $100. So that's how to add money to your account. I just showed you. So now let's finish what we were doing, which is the addition of our synthetic indices real account and the financial market account. So we copy the ID. So you can see the server here now is Deriv server 02. It has changed from Deriv demo because this one is the real account. So that's the option we're going to choose. You can see this one is the financial is Deriv server, while the indices Deriv server 02. You get now. So it is different servers, but it is different from the demo. So when you want to add the synthetic indices real account, you click on Deriv server 02. If it's the financial market, click on Deriv server. So let's copy our login ID and go back to MT5. So let's add our account. You can see those ones are still there. So let's add our account. Deriv Limited is the broker. Then the server is Deriv server 02 because it is synthetic indices market, and that is the server is giving us. If it is giving you, maybe your own is maybe interchanged, like maybe Deriv synthetic indices is now Deriv server alone, you use that. But on my own account, it is Deriv server 02. So I put that there. I copy and paste my login ID. You need no mass how would I say, you need no cram it. It will always be there to be the same. So my password, let me input it. So I input my password already. So let me log in. So alright, so you can see now I already opened this thing. I can't open a double account, and even this one is a big risk because I had to use my partner's details because is the only one I of course know his details. So for this video, so you can see now that the Deriv indices account, we've opened Deriv real indices account, and we can see that we have 0 naira. $0 USD. So let's go now to open our financial market account. So we go to the financial. So you can see the server changes to Deriv server, and the login ID is different. So we just copy this thing. So same process, Deriv Limited, login ID, password. Yeah, so password. Since I'm using Deriv server, so I just log in. So you can see now. So you can see as fast as we now have our four accounts: the demo synthetic, the demo financial, the financial real account, and then the on the real indices account. So you can just play with it. So you can see now this is the financial market where we have currency pairs. I'm not going to be discussing that in this video, but in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to open an account with XNES, because that's the account the broker advised for Forex, because they have several instruments. Then how to use this MT5 app, placing orders and the like. I've shown you or discussed extensively on the introduction to indices and Forex market video. So the next video I'm going to be doing is going to be on how to use this MT5, placing orders, checking your stop loss. I already did a video on calculating pips, both in the indices market and in the Forex market. So all these ones is just to show you how you can do it on your phone, and some of the things I didn't discuss in that video. So we can see this now. Let's go to the if you want to change the account, maybe this is the financial account, you want to go to indices, so you go just sign in. So you can see different codes, you can see now, so it's totally different. If you now want to go to demo account, so this one now, assuming we've deposited into it, just like the way I told you in the video, it will be showing the balance here. To show the balance here, you get demo financial, you will see that we have our 10,000 naira practice money there. So you get now, so you can see it is still the same thing. The only difference is that this one now you can't withdraw the 10,000 they give you, but that one you can withdraw the money. So you get, so that is the difference. So yeah, so that's basically it on this video. So in the next video, like I said, I'll be showing you some other things, how to use MT5, placing orders, types of orders, how to use rectangles, different other tools on this app, which is quite similar to the trading view, or be similar to the trading view video. So just pay attention, and I believe that every single person watching this video, so far you take action, from this moment onwards, it will definitely be a profitable one, and then in terms of finance for everybody. So I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this.